Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Show's Live channel. For today's video is all about continuing our trip here in Baguio City. We walk along Session Road. Session Road is the busiest street here in Baguio City. Also visited SM Baguio and enjoyed bread and hot chocolate at James Wright Cafe. At night, we went to the market to buy some pasalubong. We really enjoyed the day and foods that we bought. So that's all guys. Hope you enjoy watching till the end of my video. Happy watching! So guys, Session Road, the vibrant and pulsating main artery of Baguio City, is more than just a street. It's the historic, commercial, and social heart of the summer capital of the Philippines. A sloping thoroughfare that curves through the city center. It is a place where the city past and present merge, bustling with unique energy that captivates both local and tourists alike. At its core, Session Road is the bustling commercial hub. Its sidewalks are perpetually alive with the diverse stream of people, from students and professionals to families and travelers. The architecture is captivating mix of old and new, historic buildings and some dating back. Beyond its commercial offering, Session Road is served as central hub for various activities and cultural events. It is a key venue for city's grand parades, most notably during the annual Panagbenga Festival, Flower Festival, where the street comes alive with vibrant floats and street dancing. The road is also a popular spot for leisurely strolls, people watching, and simply soaking in the city's unique atmosphere. The cool Baguio climate makes walking along its inclined path pleasant experience. Along the way, one can admire that mix and architectural style, from modern buildings to structures that still echo. Visitors can find everything from well-known retail brands and department store to the quaint souvenirs shop and local boutiques. The culinary scene on Session Road is equally vibrant. The plethora and dining option awaits, from fast food chains and casual eateries to upscale restaurant offering both local and international cuisine. Notable dining spots and cafes have become institutions in their own right, offering not just delicious food but also glimpses into local culture. Session Road, Upper Session Road, is characterized by gentler slope and is home to several banks, government's office, and the prominent SM City Baguio. In contrast, Lower Session Road is the steeper and more commercial dense portion, lined with wide variety of shops, restaurants, and hotels, making the area most frequently by pedestrians. Session Road is the shopper paradise and food lovers' delight. The street and its immediately vicinity are packed with a diverse range of establishments catering to every taste and budget. As the main artery of Baguio, Session Road is easily accessible from all points of city. For those arriving in Baguio by bus, the main terminals are just short taxi or jeepney ride away. The name Session Road itself is steeped in the history, derived from the fact that Second Philippine Commission held its official session here in 1904, solidifying Baguio's status as the summer capital. This historical significance adds another layer to its identity, making a stroll down its path a walk through the piece of the Philippine history. And that's all guys. Hope you enjoy watching till the end of my video. Happy watching! Marbasalit tayo.
One day lang
ay, sa tuktok. Hindi ko yung nakatira sa tuktok. Hanggang yung manipayo. Yan guys, nagpapawalan na kami by Jessie later.
Para set up. Mga naman. Sponsor. Ay, ano.
SM City Baguio, guys. Ayan. Baguio. Baguio City. Minasan, channel Toroku onegai shimasu. Please subscribe to my channel, Show's Life channel. Tapos na kami magpunta sa Burham Park. Malapit lang siya sa hotel namin. Take out kami. Sisi with rice. Magcha-charge muna kami. Bye. Mamaya ulit. Sisi. Ha? Ayan pala. Hi guys, dito na kami sa loob ng hotel. So ito yung binili namin kanina sisig with toppings. Rice with toppings sisig. Titikman natin guys. Ito yung rice niya. Malaki din na. 80 peso, 60. Regular. Ito dati na. Sarap. Sarap po. Mamaya ulit kaya basang vlog. Tsaka kami sa night market. Gusto kong kumain mga fruits. Hi guys. The chocolate kami. At chocolate. Umuulan ngayon dito sa bag. Nagpapasta sa James Fry. James Fry. James Fry is not my
Narinig ka pa. Sarap. Yung bread. Yung bread.
Kasi tinanong tayo. Pag nakikita ko, pinainis ako, alam mo ba yun? Steak na kinain ko kanina. So, ngayon, ito. Bread na to pag ito nila. Ensaymada.
Oo, ensaymada. Sarap.
May cheese? Ano? Sarap. Cheese? Ano nakabili ka na?
200 pala ta.
Alin? Nabili na kami ng pasalubong.
Ay, kanina umaga pa kayo?
So, ito masarap daw to. T-shirt.
Magkano naman?
Okay na kay ate yan. So guys, night tour tayo dito sa Station Road. Nakabili na kami ng pasalubong para bukas. Morning everyone! For today's, we are going to Tarlac. We are done here in Baguio. Goodbye Baguio! See you again!
See you again!
So guys, yun nga. Kumustahin ko ang aking kapatid, ang aking sister sa Baguio. Sa Tarlac. Oh my God, parang ayoko pa umalis ng Baguio.
Kasi hindi ko namin nandito.
Sayang, no? Siguro next time na lang siguro. Hindi naman pwedeng hindi tayo pumunta kay Ate. Okay, guys. Later. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Ate. Pagbalik na lang ulit namin. Thank you po. Siguro dahil Sunday kaya maraming nagtitinda ngayon, guys. Sayang. Pero parang umuulan pa din. Mambo lang. Hanggang dun sa dulo. Ay, mabagyo pa. Ah! May fair pala sila ngayon. So guys, dito kami nag-check-in. Mula Session Road, maglalakad kayo bago ang McDonald's. And itong, ano na yan? Sana! Ano yun? Ah! Itang yun. Tignan mo yung mga fruits. I think this is fresh. Fresh fruit. Ang dami nilang tinda. Also buy sauce. Asan? Ay, yung cute! Ang cute, oh, mga mini stuff. Ano yan? Ay, ano yata yan? Yung parang magal. Ay, ang cute ng mga ano, guys. Tsaka chicken. Ay, hindi ko ba? So guys, dito yan sa session. Na?
Guys, parang ayoko pa umuwi.
May pala, pag Sunday pala maraming kain.
Grabe yung pula ng mukha ko. Session Road, guys, dito. Goshicho arigatou gozaimashita. Mata sobi no doga de o aishimashou. Bye bye.